How to fix no sound issue in Mobile Legends on iPhone. If you're playing Mobile Legends on your iPhone and suddenly there's no sound, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the sound not working issue in Mobile Legends. It's easier than you think, so let's jump right into it. First, let's make sure the issue is actually with the game and not your device. You can simply check if you're not hearing any sound while playing or navigating the menu. Now let's start with the basics. Make sure your iPhone volume is up. Press the volume buttons on the side of your phone to increase the volume. Also check that your iPhone isn't muted. You can check the mute switch on the side of your iPhone. Make sure if it's not flipped to mute. Now, if your volume is good, next step is to check the sound settings within the Mobile Legends app. Simply head into the game and check the settings. Once in the game, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Go to audio settings and make sure both music and sound effects are turned off. Sometimes a simple restart can solve the issue. Simply close the game completely by swiping it away from the app switcher and then reopening it. Next, check if your phone is connected to any Bluetooth device like a speaker or headphone. Now, if it is, simply try disconnecting them and see if the sound comes back through your iPhone speakers. Now, if the sound is still not working, try rebooting your iPhone. This can often fix minor issues with apps and sounds. Once you've done all that, open Mobile Legends again and test the sound. Hopefully you should see and have everything loud and clear.